All right, so I just got all my Type X parts out of the patio and it just looks insane. Like all together in one area, it looks like so many pieces. I think right now I'm gonna tally it up and see how many pieces there are in total to complete the Type X conversion. So without further ado, let's count up what I have here right now. Side skirts, 2 pieces. Rear valence is 3 pieces. Left, right, center, that's 5. Wing is 6. Lip is 7. Taillight trim, which is this guy right here, that's piece number 8. The bumper extensions, 9, 10, and the bumper itself is 11. So that's just the body pieces, 11 pieces in total. That's not including lights, brackets, conversion harnesses for the lights and stuff like that. That's also not including the tail lights, which I have. That's 3 pieces alone, left, right, and center. So 11, 12, 13, 14. In the front, we have 4 lights, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 18. And there are also 2 brackets for the extensions, 18, 19, 20, so that's 20. And then there are 2 brackets in the center on top. That's 22 pieces. 22 pieces. And there's a good chance I'm even missing some, but with a quick tally, 22 pieces that went into building this Type X Koki kit for the S13. I'm gonna drop these off to paint tomorrow, and I decided on just paint matching the car instead of painting the whole car altogether. It's just cheaper that way, and honestly the original paint is pretty okay. I think it'll still look really, really good. You know, actually adding on to all of that, I also have the Type X wheels coming in, so that's another 4 pieces, for 1 for each corner. Pretty insane how much goes into building this kit. Also pretty insane that this is just how it came from factory. Like, all of these things are factory items, aside from you know, me opting for the DorkiDori versions of the factory pieces, but still, like, this is a trim package that Nissan offered from the factory. Oh yeah, one last thing. We're actually gonna fit all of this into the car some way, somehow. These could also go in the front. That is honestly the best I got. We got all the pieces in the 240. Moment of truth. Morning, guys. We are going to the paint shop to drop off the Type X kit. Pretty excited. It's really early. It's 8 a.m. I gotta move this guy out of the way in order to take the 240 out. All of the parts are in there right now. Z has been relocated. 240 is warmed up. Parts are here. Let's go to the paint shop. Another exciting thing is, after we drop off the parts for paint, we're gonna go to the auto storage place where I store the Z, pull the car out for the very last time, because I finally got myself my own garage. So that's on the plate for today as well. We got the Z, guys. For the very last time, we're here at 4A Storage. Thank you, 4A. If you're looking for some car storage in San Diego, highly recommend. But I got my own garage now. So let's go do that. Take this car to the new garage. All right, guys, so it's a new day. I didn't get to finish my vlog yesterday because after getting to the storage or the parking garage, I had to run to a photo shoot. But it's a new day, and I'm here again at my new garage. It's gonna be my first time opening it, so check out the reveal of the Z. Check it out, we're in the garage and Z is still here. We're actually gonna go take it to Kai's house right now because he's gonna install some arms and coilovers on his S13. And now that I have this garage, I might as well start utilizing it for its reason, which is having full access to the car. So taking the car, it is already gassed up, and I'm actually scraping a little bit right here when I come in. So I might raise the car like almost an inch, maybe half an inch. Maybe we'll do that today, I don't know. But either way, let's go up to Kai's. Here we are. All right, we're here. Let's go to Kai's. All right, so we just got to Kai's, and I'm the first one. As you can see, I've been putting in a little bit of work. We got Kyle and Hamilton and Albert all on the way right now, and then Tony's gonna come later.
If you ever get a 90s JDM car, just expect you gotta expect to use your muscles and your mental. Don't shit, never mind. I don't know.
All right, check out the placement of the coils though. How many guys does it take to install suspension? Damn, it's clean. I know. It looks a lot better, that's for sure.
Are you vlogging?
Not really. Yes, sir.
Drop like another.
Yeah. How much more? I'd say one. Damn.
Yeah, drop a little more.
Yeah, it settled a little.
I'll just sit in it and then just drop it.
Bro.
Bust out your app again.
All right, so we just finished coilovers and arms on Kai's car. If you want to watch the install and all of that, check out his channel. But I'm gonna give you guys the reveal. Check it out. We got Teen Flex Z's. Teen Flex Z's, new lower control arms, new tie rod ends, new sway bar end links.
And that's it.
That's it. On 16s, and look how good it looks on 16s. No one does this. No one does the 16s like this.
Hottest S13 in San Diego.
Yeah. Looks really good. Super functional. Dang. Check out the could use maybe a small spacer. Doesn't need it, but could. Still needs an alignment, but yeah. Super good.